like to welcome you all to a fantastic evening celebrating a beautiful wedding. In a little, just a few moments, I should say, we're going to be introducing our bridal party, and our bride and groom will let you know. I want to invite you all up on the dance floor later, as we're all here to celebrate with our bride and groom on a very special day. Again, we're glad you're all here to have a great time.
There's a plan to motor west, travel my way, take the highway, that's the best. Get your kicks on Route 66, wet and winds from Chicago to LA. 1,000 miles all the way. Get your kicks on Route 66. Now you go through St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri. Oklahoma City is quite pretty to see. Amarillo, gotta do Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingman, Boston, San Bernardino. Won't you give it to this tiny tip? What the name that California trip? Get your kicks on 66. Get your kicks on Route 66.
Everybody, let's get everybody, please stand.
It is my pleasure to introduce for the first time in public, Mr. and Mrs. Bo Blackwell.
Big hand for our bride and groom.
All right, at this point we are going to do our first dance, and they have picked out a beautiful song called It's a Wonderful World.
I see trees of green, I see the blue for me and for you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds of white, dark blessed day, dark sacred night, and I think to myself,